How to uninstall Avast antivirus software in Windows. Avast is one of the best antivirus software, which has a lot of good features to protect your computer. But when you are supposed to uninstall this software, you will be in trouble to do so. Here in this video I show you how to remove Avast and supporting files from your computer. For a clean uninstallation, you have to install ccleaner. Once you done installation, open ccleaner. Go to Tools. Find Avast and then select on the right top corner you can see the uninstall button. Click over there. You may see Avast Secure Browser. This one is the Avast supporting software. The same way you uninstall this one also by using ccleaner. There is another way to uninstall Avast antivirus software. From Avast website you can download Avast Clear software to uninstall. For this you need to start in safe mode. If you don't have technical skill, don't worry. Follow these steps to load in safe mode. Press Windows key +I. Select Update and Security and click Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, select Restart Now. After your PC restarts to the chosen options, select 5 or F5 for safe mode with networking. Now open Avast Clear app. It will take few time to processing. Now here you will get a pop-up message to run in safe mode. Here click on Yes to reboot. Once your computer restarts, Avast Clear application pop-up. From here you can see the directory of Avast antivirus software. You simply click Uninstall. It will start the process. Once done, you have to restart your computer. By using this software you can uninstall all software in the same way by selecting that particular software directory. Now, if you want to remove Avast Clear from your boot menu, right-click on this PC. Properties. Advanced System Settings. Startup and Recovery. Click on Settings. System Startup. Here you can see all your OS. Here you can see Avast Clear Boot OS. Now, open Run by clicking Windows plus R button from the keyboard. Enter msconfig. And click OK. Go to Boot tab. Select Avast Antivirus Clear, then click on Delete. Then click on Apply. OK. Once done, restart your computer to apply changes that we have made. I hope this video is helpful for you. The best thing you can do is subscribe this channel and keep watching our channel updates. You might learn something new.